Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a Cafe MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which we are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to scroll down over here. Then click over here. The MLO is completely free. You just need to click over here and purchase the MLO. After purchasing and downloading it, you just need to extract the file into your file resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now and this is the cafe which is over here as you can see. The cafe is located in this location on the map as you can see over here. So let's get inside the cafe. So as you can see over here, the interior of the cafe is really amazing as you can see. So this is the counter over here as you can see. These are the food items in the counter. And there are some equipments over here as you can see. The oven, stove, fruits, juicer, coffee making machine, and everything is available over here as you can see. So you can install this Cafe MLO into your FiveM server and enhance the roleplay experience. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.